Sense tech support sucks balls. I'm telling you right now, they have no idea what the f they are doing. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today is a 3-month review update for Sense. Sense is supposed to be the best product known to man for monitoring your AC usage, your solar. It's supposed to learn all of your devices as it realizes. I actually bought into that hype. And got all excited for this product to actually work the way it's supposed to work. And even though I got the product 100% for free, I'm being totally transparent. I got it 100% for free. I still think, after all this time, I've been working with Sense, trying to be extremely cordial and trying to get the solar to function. Like the add-on, the Flex, the Sense Flex, the solar portion of that product sucks ass. It blows so bad, I'm like so pissed off right now that Sense Tech support sucks balls. I'm telling you right now, they have no idea what the fuck they are doing. I got the product for free, but Sense can kiss my ass. It sucks. It's the biggest piece of shit ever. It's ridiculous. I've been working so hard trying to get solar to work for the last 3 months, and they finally tell me today that, oh, by the way, the reason why you're having so much trouble is because we have to enable it on our end. I go, what? Are you kidding me? It doesn't make any sense. I even sent them a video on the problem I am having, and they still can't get it to work. Seems like Sense support is absolutely useless. Have had this for 4 months. I still cannot get this to work. So, have you installed your solar sensors yet? I have. Get started. Now I'm right in front of the panel, and my panel for the breaker, for the solar, once this detects, now it used to refresh the solar input. Okay, so now we have, so it used to refresh the solar input. Now it's even noticed that the W and it has stopped. So if I shut off, I'm going to shut off my panels now. So now they're off. So now we're going to wait for the off. It never does because this program stopped refreshing the input of the solar production. So it'll never ever set up. This has happened over and over again. This product is a piece of crap, and the solar process of this is terrible. There's got to be a better way for this to work. The program is a malfunction. It doesn't work. It used to, then it stopped. I've tried this on 4 different devices, Android devices. I don't have an iPhone. I've refused to have an iPhone, and it's not fair. I shouldn't have to do that to have an iPhone for this to work. So I've shut off the solar production. It's at 0 right now. Well, actually, yeah, the production is at 0. So I have 2 devices, 2 phones that are monitoring that. So I'm using over 1,000 watts of power. I'm trying to, I've logged in to the app twice. So I have one on one phone, one on another. And we're still waiting for off. For the software to actually detect off. And this is terrible. So I actually turned off the solar, and this is where it's going to fail. And it's a piece of garbage right now. So I don't understand why you have the flex, because you can't even add it. So it's off. And you'll see with the other screen shows you that it's actually off, because now I'm on the grid. And we'll watch it when I actually turn it back on again. It'll go back to production, because this is going to fail. And we're going to let it fail so you guys can actually see it fail. And you're going to see both screens of one detecting the usage and one not. So as you can see, I was producing almost 2200 watts of power, and my house was exporting substantial amount. So this is like over 1,000 watts it was exporting. So we're just waiting for this to fail, because it will. And once it fails, I'm going to leave it recording, and we're going to power back up the array. Because the reason why it doesn't detect off, because it doesn't refresh. If it refreshed, it would see 0, and then this would move forward. But since it doesn't, it just goes in this mode thinking there's still 2200 watts of power being drawn, which there isn't. So it's so stupid. I wish the program worked. Even when I got it for free, you guys sent it for me to review. If I review the solar portion of this product, it will fail pitifully, and you'll never sell a thing again. If I put this on YouTube, it would be over. Because if I can't get it, and I'm a reviewer, if I can't get this to work, then it's in bad shape. It needs some major work. And the refresh of this is terrible. So obviously it's going to fail. So I'm going to turn it back on again, because it doesn't take this long to detect an off state. Obviously it's not detecting off. Still thinks it's 2200 watts. And we're just going to wait for it to come back online. Yep, we know that. So this video is a stay clear of Sense product video. All right, I did a video in the past about how incredible it was, hoping and thinking that the solar portion of the Sense product will actually work, but it doesn't. I've tried so hard to get this to work. I've been extremely patient with them, and they just don't want to help. Or they think they're helping. They have a bunch of incompetent tech people there that have no idea what the fuck they are doing. And I'm very pissed off right now, because I just can't believe on how shitty this product is. I already made contact with Emporia. I'm hoping they're going to send me the product for free as well, the Emporia product. This doesn't have any learning capability whatsoever, which is probably the way to go. All right? There are 16 devices that plug onto every single circuit in your panel. You can name them what you want. Okay, this is the refrigerator. You know what it is. Boom. When that goes on, you know what power it's using. You have an air conditioner line, which is dedicated, obviously. You monitor that. Or you just say bedroom, master bedroom, bathroom, and then you know what stuff is turned on and what is being used. None of this learning bullshit of what this is doing, what that is doing. I've had it for 3 months. It still has not found everything on my AC wiring system here. It's crazy. So I've been more than patient. This product is a big hype. And unfortunately, I have to say it, stay clear of this product. It sucks ass. It's the biggest piece of shit ever. If you're only looking to monitor your AC usage, then this is the way to go. If you do not want that, and you just want one primary thing to use, and then hopefully it'll learn everything in your home, then that's great. But it's just It's just not working the way I expected. 3 months. It shouldn't take like I'm what 6 months to learn stuff. That's ridiculous. It should figure it out by now. Unless there's too many things on my AC wiring network here that it's too similar and it can't determine what it is. It still can't determine my car charger. It can't figure it out. It just does not know when my car is plugged in. It comes up as other. It's been doing that for the last 3 months, almost 3.5 months. It still has no idea it's my car. So all the other things together is pooled into one usage. So it just does not know. So unfortunately, I've warned them multiple times since. I told them, I says, don't make me make a video about it because I've been holding back. I'm trying to give them the opportunity to fix their issues, and they have not. There's almost so much you could type in a text message for tech support to reply back because they don't know. So I gave them a video. I have 2 cell phones, one's monitoring and one's supposed to be setting up solar, and it just does not work. I've tried multiple times. I'm just frustrated. See this product? See that logo? Stay clear. Do not go near Sense. Do not. It's a bunch of hype. It's a bunch of crap. It'll never work. Don't waste your time. It's too much money. $350? Fuck that. Buy Emporia. It's almost less than half of the price, and it'll probably work 100 times better. I'm done ranting. Fuck you, Sense. Kiss my ass. If you like this video, you can give me a thumbs up. If not, fuck you too. Just kidding. I'm so pissed. I'm so pissed. I'm sorry. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.